Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today, we will learn how to pronounce the word shriek. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. As soon as the haunted house tour guide jumped out from behind a corner, the group let out a collective shriek of terror. A shriek is a loud, piercing cry or scream typically associated with fear, surprise, or pain, often characterized by its high-pitched and shrill sound. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.